Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Shaniqua Vereen. A Soyuz spacecraft was on the fast track this week when it launched to the International Space Station.
And liftoff. A sunset start to the mission of Rubio, Prokopyev, and Petelin to the International Space Station.
On Wednesday, September 21st, NASA astronaut Frank Rubio and Roscosmos cosmonaut Sergei Prokopyev and Dmitry Petelin launched aboard the Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. 2 orbits later, the spacecraft docked to the station, where they joined Expedition 67 Commander Oleg Artemyev, cosmonauts Denis Matveyev and Sergei Korsakov of Roscosmos, as well as NASA astronauts Bob Hines, Kjell Lindgren, and Jessica Watkins, and European Space Agency astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti aboard the orbital outpost. The trio will spend 6 months aboard the space station conducting science and research investigations. So, do we have turtles in space? The answer may surprise you. The arrival of Frank Rubio marks the 5th astronaut from NASA's 22nd class of astronaut candidates, which is nicknamed the Turtles, to fly to the International Space Station. He joins fellow Turtles and NASA astronauts Bob Hines and Jessica Watkins of Crew 4 on station. NASA astronauts Kayla Barron and Rajachari were the first 2 Turtles to go to space when they flew on NASA's SpaceX Crew 3 mission. Back inside the station, the science continues to grow. Last week, NASA astronaut Kjell Lindgren harvested lettuce and wheat from the X-Roots investigation.
It's kind of a next generation experiment where we're trying to grow plants, and right now we actually have lettuce, carrots, onions, and radishes growing, and we're not using soil, we're using aeroponics, aerosol delivered water, or hydroponics, where the roots just sit in water.
The X-Roots investigation helps to evaluate nutrient delivery and recovery techniques in the microgravity environment of the International Space Station. Over the next 30-plus days, the crew will observe and assist with the seed germination and growth of the plants. Video and still images enable evaluation of the entire plant life cycle from seed germination through maturity. Results could identify suitable methods to produce crops on a larger scale for future space missions. That's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. But before we go, we invite you to watch the latest edition of the NASA video series, Down to Earth. Astronaut Victor Glover sits down with his daughter to discuss what it's like to be separated from your family on a mission to the space station. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.